ठीक है, एप्स्टीन फाइल सबको पता है how disturbing it is, what has been done in that, how small girls were being raped, how they were being eaten by these evil people. Everyone knows about it. मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. I don't think I need to address that. My main question is that now why religion is not being targeted? अब क्यों religion पे question नहीं आ रहा है? You know why? Because now Muslims are not involved in this case. If Muslims were being involved, the first thing that they would do is that keep all the issue, all the problem aside and target the religion first. कि Muslims तो होते ही ऐसे. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि ऐसे issues and ऐसे problems पे religion को घुसाना चाहिए. I'm totally against that because these people do that only. They divert the whole point, whole problem of this country by debating Hindu Muslim, by making people fight because of their different religions. I'm totally against this thing. मैं ये नहीं मानती. I totally believe that what the real problem is, what the real issue is, that should be addressed instead of seeing that what that person belongs to. I mean, what religion that person belongs to or that caste. I am totally against this thing. I believe that the real issue should be addressed. But मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि religion को घुसा देना चाहिए बीच में. But what I'm trying to say is that अब ये लोग क्यों नहीं कह रहे हैं? अब ये लोग क्यों नहीं ला रहे religion बीच में? Because इनका तो काम ही है. They do this thing only. They always bring the religion in between. Now they are not doing because no Muslims are involved. मोदी जी का भी नाम है. So why not religion is coming now? क्यों नहीं आ रहा है अब religion? Just try to think. मैं justify नहीं कर रही हूँ, but I'm just trying to question out this thing that अब क्यों नहीं आ रहा है.